everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Deg Beauty. Today tutorial, I'm going to show you fast and easy way how to apply 5 minutes makeup. Just 5 minutes. Let your target be how you are going to cover your spot. As you can see, my face is full of spots. Yes, guys, if you want to do fast makeup, everyday makeup, don't just concentrate on heavy eyeshadow. No, just do simple makeup that can last you for the whole day. Yes, let's get started. Before you start, make sure you have your makeup box ready, because some women don't know how to package their box, their makeup box. Their brush, makeup brush will be on this way, the other one, their lipstick will be in the other angle. So make sure as a lady you have your makeup box package. Have your makeup box package. So that if you want to do heavy makeup, simple makeup, just open your makeup box and start your makeup. Yes, my makeup box is already set up. It's set, ready for me. If you want to apply, right now we are going to time it 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Normal, if you want to do heavy makeup, we normally use 45 minutes for full coverage makeup. 45 minutes. Sometimes we use 35 minutes. Depend. But because this one is fast makeup and everyday makeup, easy makeup, especially with that, if you are always in a hurry, I'm always in a hurry, this video is good for you. So let's get started. Focus your eye on my hand. Yes, let's get started. You can do it. This is 5 minutes timer. 5 minutes, as you can see, 5 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. No more talking. Okay. Brows, they are very important. Then this is oil block. If you want to do simple makeup, heavy makeup, oil block is very important. So I apply oil block on this angle. Oil block cover, make the makeup. Okay, let me apply. This is primer cream. Okay, this is beauty blender. I always spray setting spray on my beauty blender. Yes, you make sure you squeeze it like this. Then my foundation. This is my foundation. Okay. When you are in a hurry, you can use one foundation, one shade foundation. But when you want to do it proper, it's always good to use 2 color of foundation. Okay. Because I am in a hurry, I will just use one shade. Let me take off my earring. Okay, so that you bring down your hand towards. I always stretch my face. Okay, take your eyes up like this. Okay. Okay. Make sure your foundation is smooth, because your foundation is very important. Okay, as you can see, my face. What is the time now? Hey. Okay. What I normally do, and this is for under eyeliner. Then I use it for here as well. Okay. Quickly, I draw my brow. Let it be natural. Okay. Yes, I always go with natural brow. That is it. Then I just apply my lips. Lastly, you use your mascara. Oh. This is what we achieve. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yes. What do you think? Guys, as you can see, I am set. I am set to go. 5 minutes. All you need is to apply your foundation, do your pencil, do your brows, and this makeup, I will take it for the whole day. I will take this my makeup for the whole day because I already apply primer, oil block. Then with this my makeup, I can take it for the whole day. Let your target be you cover the spot on your face. As you can see my face. Yes. And before you start, always set up your brow with brow timer, so that by the time you apply foundation, your brow timer is set up to draw. Yes, guys, this is what we have for 5 minutes. Yes, if you have time, like 10 minutes, I also have 10 minutes video on this my YouTube channel. Go and watch the video if you have 10 minutes of time. There is a way we do 10 minutes makeup. There is a way we do 5 minutes makeup. There is a way we do 20 minutes makeup, 30 minutes, then for full coverage. That's it. Thank you. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe to this YouTube channel. You will learn a lot. If you want to learn how to apply makeup step by step, the full coverage, I have the video. If you want to learn how to tie gele on your head, scarf, head tie, head, so people even ask me what is gele. Yes, head wrap. If you want to learn how to tie gele on your head by yourself, I have the video on my channel. Different style how to tie it on your head by yourself. You must learn how to do things on your own. Yes, guys, this is what we achieve for 5 minutes. Thank you. See you on my next video. Leave your comment for me. Please Share this video to your friends and family. Bye. See you on my next video. See you on my next video. See you on my next video. I love you.